can you tell me all the data that goes into a profit, loss and balance sheet? Where does it come from? Where is that information extracted from? Can I say that information has been extracted from the accounting records of the organization? That's fair enough. And what are accounts? If I ask you to define accounts, what are accounts? Can I say accounts is a record of what? Of all the financial transactions that take place in an organization. Every financial transaction that takes place gets recorded, and a collection of those records is called accounts. And when is a transaction called a financial transaction? I think any transaction that involves either money coming in or money going out is a financial transaction. And if money does not come in, does not go out, can I still call it a financial transaction? Maybe I can. At the end of the transaction, either money should come in or it should go out, or it may not have come in, but it should become due to me, or it may not have gone out, but it should become due by me to somebody else. If one of these four things happens, we say it's a financial transaction. If it is, there is somebody in the organization whose job is to record it. A collection of such records is called accounts. Next question. Why are we maintaining accounts? Why are we meticulously recording every transaction that takes place? Now, this I have already answered. Objective of running a business enterprise is to make profit. And folks, profit is not an obvious thing. And therefore, everything that happens gets recorded. And whatever gets recorded, every once in a while gets summarized. And the summarized picture of accounts is presented in the form of two financial statements. One is called a profit and loss account, and the other is called a balance sheet. What have I told you so far? What I have told you is everything that happens gets recorded. And whatever gets recorded, when compressed, the results are presented in the form of these two financial statements. And tell me, between these two statements, how many types of transactions appear over here? The profit and loss account lists out expenses and incomes, and the balance sheet lists out liabilities and assets. Now, what does this tell you? This tells you that if everything that happened got recorded, whatever got recorded eventually must appear either on the face of the profit and loss account or on the face of the balance sheet. And between them, all these statements reveal our expenses and incomes and liabilities and assets. This tells you, therefore, in an organization, nothing can happen which is not ultimately going to be categorized into one out of these four. And I think this is all you need to understand if you wish to learn how to make a balance sheet.